how to by heart these now. Okay, you can make tricks. Okay, tricks, there are hundreds of tricks you can make. The country names, if you see, right, it is like all vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, you know the vowels. So that way it has come. Instead of O, S and E. Okay, this is one way of by hearting. The vowels, replace O with O. There is, I think, in the full world only, I think Oman and some countries are there. So leave O. Instead of O, S and E. Okay, so Argentina, Egypt, Iran, Saudi, Ethiopia and UAE. Okay, so that is one way of remembering, but I like remembering it through the map. That is very easy. That's why I'm showing you this world map here. 6 countries are added, right? First you should know where all the existing BRICS countries are there. Existing BRICS countries, first one, Brazil, Russia, China, India, South Africa. This is the present BRICS countries. Now, if you see here, how many continents are there? This is continent number 1. This is continent number, this is continent number 2. This is continent number 3. Okay. This is where the BRICS countries are there. It is not there in Europe. It is not there in North America, Australia or Antarctica. No countries are there. And this has not changed. Now we added 6 countries, right? This has not changed. The 6 countries are within these continents only. So how? This first continent, same 1, 2, 3 apply there. In the first continent, add 1, Argentina. Second continent, add 2 countries. Egypt, both are E. Okay, Egypt and Ethiopia. Okay, third continent, add 3 countries, and all are here in West Asia. Okay, the Saudi, the Iran, and next to Saudi here one small UAE is there, SUI. Okay, so in the 1, 2, 3 continent, add 1, 2, 3 countries. First continent, add Argentina, where Brazil is there. Second continent, where South Africa is there, add Egypt and Ethiopia, which is both E. Third continent, where Russia, China, India is there, add 3 more, Saudi, Iran and UAE. All Middle East, all oil countries, all like SUI, SUI or whatever you want to do. This is the easiest way to remember. Nobody will teach you this kind of tricks at all. I make tricks like this I am making since 2016 and I have showed many things also. Now I am sure whoever watched this will never forget the BRICS countries, the 11 countries. It's very easy. Okay, like this world map, right? Anywhere, any country, any continent, any island, you are expected to know. It's not just by hearting. Okay, last year question came on Cameroon. How many people know that Cameroon is in the west side of Africa where Congo River passes? Gabon, question came. Where is Gabon? Ecuador, Peru, Equatorial Guinea, Fiji, Mali, Maldives, Seychelles. I tell randomly some countries, if it's immediately coming to your mind, this is exactly there in this point, equator passes through, this Tropic of Cancer is above that, you are a good aspirant. Else you are like, you have a lot of catch up to do. I'm not telling you you are a bad aspirant or something, but you have a lot of catch up to do. A very good aspirant, right? They know all these things by heart. They know everything. They know which 17 or 19 countries passes through Tropic of Cancer. Around 10 countries pass through equator. Another 10 countries pass through this Tropic of Capricorn. Then there is the International Standard Time through which another 6-7 countries pass through. And continents, if you take also all these, I think three continents it passes, all these lines. These kind of information, this map, if it's not by heart to you, you are a very poor aspirant who has not yet reached the level of competitive aspirants. Okay, that is why I'm telling you, through Vaishya learning, I will make sure that end of the year you become that expert aspirant, that after that you don't need even me also. You don't need my coaching or my guidance. Later you pass and somewhere you tell our name, that's good for us. But I'm telling you, the detailing or the simplicity with which we break the concepts, that you will get only here. Okay, so this I'm sure now you studied 6 countries, 11 countries are over. We'll go to the more things. Okay, in Wikipedia you can go and find 17 countries who applied to join BRICS. Okay, these many countries are there. That means these are the futuristic countries who will become part of BRICS. That you don't have to by heart because it's not relevant. Okay, but simply glance through Algeria, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belarus, Cuba, Honduras. This Honduras, where is Honduras in the map? Try to find out. Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Morocco, Nigeria, Palestine, Senegal, Thailand. These countries all applied in 2022-23. That shows the relevance of BRICS. These are the 6 members which now added. Okay, as I told, A, E, I, O, U. Instead of O, put this Saudi and one more E. Okay, or here it's a double E. So it is A, E, I, U. Instead of O, put SE. This is another method of studying A, E, I, O, U, or the other one, the map method. Map method is more interesting. Okay, then again addition, these many small countries, this also have showed interest. They didn't apply, they showed interest. So see the number of countries. Totally around 40 countries have in total expressed interest to join BRICS. So you know the relevance of BRICS.